Ram will use this week's 2021 Chicago Auto Show to present a new BackCountry Edition version of its 1500 pickup truck. Similar to the GT versions of the 1500's Laramie and Rebel grades unveiled last week, the BackCountry Edition treatment sees the 1500 fitted with popular mods straight from the factory. This time the mods are aimed at off-roading and other lifestyle activities, rather than street performance. Starting with the exterior, the BackCountry has a blacked-out appearance thanks to black badging, exhaust tips, headlight bezels, mirrors and running boards. The model also features black two-tone paint on the lower body and bumpers as well as 18-inch alloy wheels with a black finish. Rounding out the highlights are a body color grille surround, a tonneau cover and the 4x4 off-road group. The latter includes tow hooks and skid plates as well as an electronic locking rear axle, off-road calibrated shocks and all-terrain tires. It also adds hill descent control, a spray and bed liner and a deployable bed step, among other things. The truck will be available in quad and crew cab configurations with four-wheel drive as well as 5.7-liter V8 powertrains. Both engines produce 395 horsepower, 291 kilowatts, 400 PS, and 410 pound-feet, 556 Newton-meters, of torque, but one has an eTorque mild hybrid system. Interior changes are hardly worth mentioning, but the BackCountry has black bucket seats, special badging and Mopar slush mats. Essentially a package on the 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn and Lone Star, the BackCountry Edition combines convenience, comfort and off-road capability in one package with a name that resonates among truck buyers.